Is there a simpler way to log into a local account on a domain workstation? Occasionally I need to log into a local machine account on a Windows workstation joined to our domain. The syntax for specifying a domain account looks like this, whereas the syntax for logging into a local account is. The problem is that I often don't know the host name off the top of my head. It is possible to find out by clicking the How do I log onto another domain link, but this requires me to memorize or write down an often cryptic host name. Is there another, simpler way to do this?
You can use a period to represent the local host name when logging in. So, ./administrator would be the local administrator account.
You can also use local to represent the name of the machine you are logging into. So local \administrator would be the local admin account on the server you're logging into. I find this useful when ripping into a remote server. The .\administrator trick doesn't work in RDP because it will resolve that to, and LT, my client machine name and GT:\administrator, not, and LT, remote server name and GT:\administrator. In general I find it shorter to type local than the remote machine name. It also makes it easy to create a new saved connection from an existing one, just change the server name then save as to save the modified connection, no need to change the username, assuming you use the same local admin account name on all your remote servers, e.g. they're all named, and LT, host name and GT:\administrator, or all named, and LT, host name and GT:\local admin.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.